Hey, it's me again, and today I'm doing a pineapple coconut rum slushy. In a pineapple, of course. So right now I'm gonna cut the head of the pineapple off. And I'm just gonna slowly slice that down. Be gentle, because you don't want to ruin the pineapple. I'm gonna take a knife and make a cross in the pineapple. So, a cut down the middle and then another cut down the other middle, so you'd have like 4 quarters. After that, I'm gonna make a circle around the pineapple to try to get all the juices and the meat out of the pineapple, so I'm able to put the slushy inside. So you can see me fighting to get all the meat out of the pineapple. It was really hard. It was rough because it was a big pineapple, but that's okay. If you have another way of doing it that's easier, fine by me. If you have the equipment to do it, fine by me as well. So we're gonna add 2 cups of frozen pineapple. Make sure it's frozen. 3/4 of a cup of pineapple juice. Then we're going to add 4 ounces of spiced rum. We're also going to add the Açai spirit. If you don't have Açai spirit, you can use Moscato or white wine or use another spirit. I like this one because it complements the flavor, and Açai is really delicious. Then I'm going to add some coconut cream. I don't think there's much substitution to this coconut cream because, hey, you want coconut flavor. It also complements it as well, gives it that creamy texture. Blend all of that in and pour everything inside of your pineapple. Use whatever garnish you like to garnish your drink. Also, I wanted to say thank you again. It's always a pleasure. Like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again. Bye.